This summer, give your child an extraordinary adventure at Young Fan Summer Camp's Animal Interaction Program. They'll get up close and personal with amazing cold-blooded creatures like snakes, lizards, and turtles. Our experienced camp counselors ensure every interaction is fun, safe, and educational. From handling gentle reptiles to learning about their incredible worlds, your kids will make unforgettable memories. Imagine the joy on their faces as they overcome any fears and discover the beauty in these often misunderstood animals. This experience builds empathy and appreciation for nature. But it's not just meeting reptiles, it's an immersive adventure with creative projects reinforcing what they've learned. An extraordinary opportunity to spark imagination and curiosity. This summer, let your child experience the wonders of the animal kingdom. Young Fan's Reptile Explorer is a chance to create cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.